Alright, got a lot of requests for a truck video, so here it is. Let's get into it.
Never been safe, but I never come closer. Another year down and another year older. A million fresh starts, what I needed was closure. Yeah, I lost who I was, but I found my composure. Yeah.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I've been getting asked a lot of questions about the truck, what's done to it. Hey, post a video. You know, we haven't seen any videos for a long time, and there's a reason for that, but we'll get into that in another video. But for now, yeah, let's go over the truck. So if you don't know, it's a 2017. It's a LT. I bought this thing for a work truck. This was my welding rig back when I was doing some welding out of it, and you know, plans changed. Ended up moving to Florida, so you know, we were in Washington, had enough of the bull crap. Yeah, so moved down here to America. But yeah, we'll get into this truck video, and hope you guys like it. First of all, we'll start with this beast here. It's L5p. It's got a little bit of goodies. Shout out to my homie Chris for hooking up the HSP intake. That thing is, if you got an L5p, you match this intake with the L5p intake horn, and you know about that, then you know about that. This thing sounds phenomenal. Throttle response is crazy. This thing's, I've hurt so many people's feelings. They think they're quick with this heavy pickup right here. I mean, obviously, if you know about this, then you know about this. Sounds a little bit better than stock. We got the Gen Y hitch, powder coated in, you know, trying to match the truck. My miner's gold. Underneath here we got the Banks diff cover. We got Fox 2.0s of resis back here as well. Then we got the horn blasters kit. That's the Nightmare edition with 2 extra horns in the 5-gallon tank. I opted for the dual via air compressors. We're running 37 1350 on 20s, Toyo Open Country MTs, By far the best tire money can buy. Running gear off-road. These are 760 BZ wheels, 20 by 9s plus 18 offset. Back here we got the American flag from Flags Express. These things, they don't rip, they hold up great. It's the only flag I'll run. And of course we got the speed poles. You guys asked me a ton of times, hey, what kind of flag poles do you run? Nothing but the best from Speed Pole here. If you guys are interested, contact Matt over at Speed Poles and get you some. And of course, you gotta support the homies that support you. Got to work for it. Got the Fern's famous, semi-famous barbecue, and you got Culprit Customs. So in the bed, I got these heavy mats for all my welding equipment. I got the Line X. Line X has been cool, but I mean, it didn't take very much to get these in there, so that's just, I don't know. Not too happy with it. Didn't last very long. So there's a shot of the shocks, 2.0s, via air compressor. Oh yeah, I got the Wicked Customs, the Goliath mount for the train horns, and these little helper springs here. I'll tell you guys all about those here in a minute. Another shot of the wheels. There we got Culprit Customs. You can find all these guys on Instagram. There's my Instagram if you want to follow on there. I did 5% ceramic window tint over all stock, so they're pretty dark. I did 30 on the whole front, which you can see it's pretty dark, but at night I can still see out pretty good. For the mirrors, we got the Boost Auto switchbacks. I absolutely love these things. Up front, Kryptonite uppers, Fox 2.0s and Resis. I did the full Kryptonite front end kit. Yeah, I wasn't about to play around with this IFS, so. Up front we got Black Oak LED light bar. That's a 30-inch straight. Black Oak pod. Black Oak pod, these things are astronomically freaking bright. I absolutely love them. Wouldn't run any other lights on the truck. I, of course, got the Whirly Fab trans cooler guard, the Valence Elite, and we got the splash guard down there. And of course we got the CST lift kit. This is our high clearance 3 to 6 inch. I'm set at 5 in the front on 37s. The reason I went with this kit is because I hate seeing torsion bars. And look, you can barely see the torsion bars. And the back just has the 1-inch block the kit comes with. But then I also got those springs helped out quite a bit too. So yeah, this is basically it. Didn't do much on the inside. It's just an LT. Like I said, I bought it for a work truck, but Washington State required me to get the shot. So I said, you know what, see ya. I'm not gonna operate anymore in your state. So I packed up and we moved to Florida. So I'm gonna start doing some welding here again once we get established and get a spot. So if you guys miss the welding content, I'll be getting back to that pretty soon. Nothing's really done in the interior. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Gotta give a shout out to all the homies over at Work For It. Gotta go, if you guys want any clothes, flags, stickers, go support the homies. Go over to workforitapparel.com. I think we need to let you guys hear the horns now. What do you think? So we had to, my buddy John, Cobra Customs, told me how to get one of these. So automatic air dump, it's a necessity. But I think we should let these horns do some talking. Yeah, they're loud. By far the loudest horns I've heard on a truck so far. I do have other plans for the truck, but we're living the RV life right now. So we're working on getting a house, either building a house, buying a house. I'm gonna build a big old shop. So once my truck's back in the shop, it's gonna go back under the knife. Either it's gonna get 12-inch lift kit, maybe some air, or might throw some compounds or just a big ass turbo. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, L5p.Nate. I'll be doing let you guys know updates. And oh, before I forget, high beams, low beams, and fog lights are all Oxito. They are F16 is the bulb, and I had to do a little bit of plastic welding to fit them in the fog lights, but wasn't too bad. But yeah, now you guys seen the truck. We'll get you guys a few rollers and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so the deal with these springs, they're from Active Suspension. You go get them on, I got them on Instagram. I got them through Nick, aka American Duramax on Instagram. You go through him, he's always got the best prices and super fast shipping. But yeah, they just kind of bolt. See the U-bolts right there? There's a bolt that goes underneath your U-bolts on your rear end. Goes around the back of your leaf pack. These things are a lifesaver. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see when we moved out to Florida, we hauled that big old heavy RV right there. We were overweighted, everything. These things did not skip a beat the entire time. We went from Washington down to San Diego, California, and all the way to Florida. And look at the Toyos. Still holding up like nothing even happened to them.